Hello friends. Now I am introducing India's first ever Indianized training program, Excel-50. This 50 represents 50 real world projects. Through these 50 real world projects, you master Excel. I am not talking about just learning for college exam or something else. You must master Excel. Here, mastery matters. What is the unique specialty of our system? How it is distinct from all other systems? You see any Excel tutorial, not only Excel tutorial, any tutorial on any technology you see, you can find one feature. Just observe that and then compare. Actually, every trainer introduce a command and the corresponding result. Introduce a command, the corresponding result. Like this, throughout the training, they explain, they introduce different commands. Then you may get it out what is wrong in that. That is not wrong. But you think of what you got out of that. Somebody is driving car, simply seeing, you cannot learn car driving. If you want to learn car driving and all that, you have to sit in the driving seat and learn. Today may be zero, within a couple of days you can learn everything. In the same manner, here our approach is through projects. You do projects from day one. Here, not 50 projects, 50 pairs of projects. That means one project, suppose let us say 1A project for learning, 1B project for practice, 2A project for learning, 2B project for practice, 50A project for learning, 50B project for practice. Because of that reason, I am assuring you, you evolve as a master of Excel. Excel is a highly versatile language as well as high demand language. Not only having high demand, it is having evergreen demand. For your information, 90% of companies require Excel skills for their daily routine jobs as well as advanced tasks. That point you have to understand. That's why in this video I want to give you a complete details through the roadmap with Google Map. I may take 15 to 20 minutes time. If you are really serious about your IT career and all that, you watch the video till the end and grasp the real spirit of the thing. And if you are satisfied and all that, implement that. And at the same time, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Not only Python and Excel, this is the first phase. I am going to provide you several high demand technologies to enable you to prosper in your career. You are a rewarding IT career aspirant. In order to realize your dream, you must be industry ready. For that purpose, I am providing 5 assurances that make you industry ready. Here, I explain all the 5 points and all that. You have to understand the real spirit of that and implement. The first one is 50 real world projects. Already explained to you, not 50, 100, 50 paired projects I am going to provide to you. Because of that, you can master Excel. That's the first point. Second one is proven 5-point formula. Actually, already told you, industry readiness is very essential to realize our dream. Mastering Excel is one aspect and evolving as industry ready is another aspect. For that purpose, 4-point formula I have developed. These are 4 capabilities, those are complementary one. I am going to explain about the 4 points after a minute. Thereafter, Zero-to-Pro foundation. Actually, I am not expecting any programming background. How can I expect? Now I do not know your qualification or qualities or what prior knowledge and all that. Then what is the reality? Zero is the reality. So I start from zero. I start from zero and Zero-to-Pro. You should be evolved as a professional. For that purpose, what you require, everything I am going to provide. For that purpose, don't worry about your background and all that. And I am going to provide you a complete system, not partly and all that. Whatever you require to reach this position, everything I am going to provide to you. And one more thing, doubt-free, 100% doubt-free. Actually, a doubt is an obstruction. If you get one or more doubts and all that, who will clarify? That's why I made it 100% doubt-free. One humble challenge I am making. If you want to raise any doubt after reading some concepts or some modules, you have to make a research. That is an open challenge. Thereafter, 60 days, 200 hours preparation. Actually, if you are IT job aspirant and all that, within time frame you have to complete. You should not take longer time and all that. 60 days more than enough. Daily 3 to 4 hours you work. Morning 1 hour, afternoon 1 hour, night 1 hour. Otherwise, morning, if you are a office goer and all that, early morning 2 hours, night 2 hours. That is enough. Within 60 days, you master Excel and you will be 100% industry ready. Thereafter, international certification. Okay, you have a lot of knowledge, skills, everything and all that. How the world recognizes it? Actually, for that purpose, having an international certification is very essential. Optional, I never compel you, but if you aspire that whatever support you require and all that, through our online learning management system, I provide you entire thing for free of cost. That point you have to understand. And one more point I have to tell you. An international certification is not a paper. It is a passport for your advancement in career. That point you have to understand. Once you get an international certification, you will be stand out. There may be 10,000 competitors in job market, but you are unique. Whatever qualities an industry-ready candidate is expected, then all you can have. For your information, after appraising our unique specialties, the world top AI platform, ChatGPT, certified us as India's #1 tutor ecosystem. It's not just a tutorial and all that. Whatever you see are a tutorials. The tutor ecosystem. Why? That name was suggested by ChatGPT only. Why it called as tutor ecosystem means, in order to evolve as industry ready professional, what you require from scratch to end, everything we are going to provide. That's why you understand our system as tutor ecosystem. Here you can see the certification. Now, I explained the 4-point formula to evolve you into industry ready professional. Actually, as I told you already, mastering Excel is the first essential prerequisite. Thereafter, you should think of evolving into industry ready. For that purpose, I developed this 4-point formula, and these are not different elements. Those are complementary elements. All at a time you can study. Those are interconnected and interdependent. Now, here is just a list. Thereafter, I give the complete explanation. Conceptual command, matching communication skills, matching real-world Excel skills, and fourth one, international certification. Now I give a complete explanation on each and every point through analogies. Discover the career sure path. Now I explain about 4 pillars for your career building. Already I told you 4-point formula. Those are conceptual command, matching communication skills, matching programming skills, and corresponding international certification. Now I give a complete details about that. You please understand each element and understand, grasp the real spirit of them and implement. The first one is conceptual command. This is very core. According to me, 99% of students, college goers, never care for concept. For the sake of college exam and all that, they select some concepts and they learn or by heart and write the examination and all that. That will not do. Here, every concept is equally important. A concept is a blueprint for the construction. Without blueprint, can you construct anything? So, concept is the core. First, we have to realize that. For that, one formula I tell you. Suppose Excel consists of, let us say, 26 concepts, A, B, C to Z. Then how to study? Actually, what you did earlier and all that, keep it aside. Now you start everything, this industry-oriented preparation, start from the scratch. Take the first concept, A, and study that, own that. Study that, understand it, and own it. Owning means, one simple example I give you. Actually, what you did yesterday means without any reference, you are able to explain A, B, C, D, E, F activities and all that. That means those are registered in your brain. So, whatever concept you study and all that, that should be registered in your brain. Then only you can own it. Why I am calling own means, whatever you own, you can give it to, you can deliver it. Suppose I am the owner of this. So somebody asks, I may give it because I am the owner. If I am not the owner, I cannot give it to somebody. In the same manner, you own a concept. After owning the concept, then move to B. Then own B and then move to C. Actually, if you master A concept, you better understand B. If you master A and B, you better understand C, ultimately Z. Analogically, one thing I have to tell you, these concepts are like a toolkit of a technician. In a toolkit of a technician, every tool is equally important. You cannot select that is important, this is unimportant. Whatever tool is there in toolkit, it is having its role. But in case of the missing, you are handicapped somewhere. That point always you remember, and you have to own every concept, and you have to study sequentially, not by selection. That's the first step. Not a big thing, because once you master A, you can better understand B. Once you master A and B, you can better understand C. Then you can easily own it. But if you go by selection, because F is important, M is important, N is important, if you study and all that, you cannot own them. That point you have to understand. This is the first step. Second one is matching communication skills. Actually, nobody bothers about it. Actually, if you cannot communicate, world will not recognize you. Here, when you can communicate, not only English, you have to communicate concept. So once you own the concept, you can deliver it. Already I told you, whatever I own, I can give it to somebody. So your owning concept is the essential prerequisite. Thereafter, communication skills. For that, I provide you a module, a special module. And for that simple technique I give you, and you follow the technique and all that, it will become just for 10 concepts, you have to try like that. Thereafter, it will become routine. Ultimately, whatever concept somebody asks and all that, you can explain. One more point I have to tell you. Without facing any interview, you cannot get a job. That's why if you have to face an interview and all that, you must speak out. You must communicate the concept clearly. That's why this is a very core. Otherwise, it will become a bottleneck. You may have good knowledge, good skills, but if you cannot communicate, world cannot recognize you. Here, third one is matching programming skills. Actually, here one example I give you. By that you can understand what is knowledge and what is skill. Here, this is knowledge and this is skill. Actually, simple example. Whenever you communicate something, use analogies and examples. Then others better understand. They get a good impression on you. Okay, suppose you know the recipe of a dish. Let us say biryani, and that is knowledge. If you are able to prepare biryani according to that recipe, that is skill. The difference you have to find out. So conceptually you are good. You are able to communicate. Thereafter, you have to transform that knowledge into programming skills. For that purpose, already I told you, I am giving you 50 pairs of nobody on the earth use this. So 50 pairs of projects I am going to give you. Just within span of 2 months, you master everything. You own the Excel knowledge and skills. Okay. The fourth, this is not last but not least, but it is optional. If you want to get an international certification, suppose the Excel, Microsoft certifications are there. Once you master this is a peanut, just a matter of 2 weeks. But after completion of this only, you can prepare for international certification. International certification is not a paper, it is a passport for your career advancement. That point you have to understand. Once you get an international, for that what you require, everything I am going to provide you through my online learning management system, ELMS. Okay, that point you have to understand. Once you acquire the international certification, you are unique, you are standout. Even 10,000 candidates may be in the job market, but you will be standout. You will be in a position to choose your favorite job. That is my assurance. Already, I have explained the importance of having conceptual communication skills. If you don't have that, world will not recognize you. You may have good knowledge, good programming skills, and even international certification. But if you cannot speak out, world will not recognize it, and you cannot get any opportunities. But you see, entire web world, nobody focuses on that. Here, I am providing a special module. This is meant for the smartest ever way to master Excel concepts in 10 minutes. Actually, after 1 minute, I am going to explain about that. I am going to provide you Excel Starter Pack 50. 50 means 50 concepts are there and all that. And here, one simple technique I give you. If you follow that, just for 10 concepts you will follow, thereafter it will become routine. Not only for Excel, for everything you apply that. Okay, suppose you are studying a concept, first concept. After studying that, and normally you move to the second, don't move. Actually, can I explain, you question yourself, can I explain this concept to my friend? If yes, then move to B. Then same process, then move to C. Otherwise, twice or thrice, my videos are with you. I am able to explain it. Why can't you explain it? Only thing is, you never thought in this angle. So, once you start thinking and making practice, it will become routine. Thereafter, not only for Excel, for every subject also, you apply in the same manner and all. By that, your conceptual communication skills are improved. By that, your knowledge is reflected on your face, your body language is changed. In the beginning of this video, I told you about the programming skills. If you don't acquire programming skills, nobody will recognize, nobody will pay to you. Why a company should pay to you? Because of your programming skills. Now, but no tutorial is focusing on that. As I told you, always they explain about a command and result. Here, my approach is totally different. You should master over the programming skills. That's why what mechanism I followed and all that is a unique strategy. Nobody has adopted this strategy. I proudly say it's a humble challenge. Okay, here I told you 50 paid projects I am going to review. This is 1A project for learning, 1B project for practice, 2A project for learning, 2B project for practice, 50A project for learning, 50B project for practice. In this way, 100 projects you do that, then automatically you will become master of programming skills. Nobody will compete with you. And this is not the end. Every time I go on, every day I get new ideas and all that, I go on adding it. By that, you improve your programming skills. That is very, very important. By that only, you can deliver your services to an employer. So far, in this video, I explained many points, but some of you may not believe that. Here, seeing is not believing, doing is believing. So, after doing only, you can believe, because that is very important. As I told you already, the matter of a career, you cannot take a chance. That's why I am providing you a 12-hour Excel Mastery Starter Pack 50. Actually, why 50? 50 elements I am going to, crucial elements of 4 categories. All types of things I am incorporating in that. They are all together 12 hours, and you take a couple of weeks, but don't take 1 month, 2 months and all that. Just within a couple of weeks you finish it. Then you can understand the overall idea or overview on Excel, and at the same time, from here only, you start focusing on your communication skills. This is a nice platform, and after completion of this, if you are satisfied and all that, you follow suit. And finally, once again I am requesting you, please subscribe to my channel. By that I can provide you a number of things, and I enable you to achieve a rewarding IT career. Always I focus on high demand and evergreen demand technologies. Right now I am providing, in the first phase, I am providing you Python 50 and Excel 50. Wish you all the best.